The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.